Hey, I didn't see you there. I'm Paul. This is Adventures in Welding. I'm 45 years old and I'm starting on a second career in welding after over 20 years in the IT business. I'm signed up in a 2-year welding program at Eastern Gateway Community College in Steubenville, Ohio. I'm finishing up my first semester. We're doing arc welding. I also like TIG, MIG, plasma cutting. So if you want to see how a welder is built from the ground up, check out my channel, Adventures in Welding. Thanks. Now I'm going to get back to work.